Welcome to Moneta, your ultimate real estate investing companion. In this video, we'll guide you through the app, focusing on its key features like the calculator, property search, and results. To get started, log in using your email, Apple ID, Google account, or continue as a guest. This is your homepage. From here, navigate to the rental property calculator to explore potential investments. Using the price slider, select your target property price. Here, you can view the initial investment required and the estimated returns. Remember, these values are highly dynamic and change based on other parameters. For example, you can adjust the initial expense in the Expenses tab to see how it impacts your investment. Next, click the Search Properties button to find potential investments. Type in your desired location. Select a property based on your preferred area. Check out the key investment highlights, especially if you're not familiar with the area. Compare the rent in the market near this property. Note that the selected rent per month for this property may be slightly higher than the market trend. And there are many more insights to help you make informed decisions. Thank you for using Moneta. Start exploring now and take your real estate investments to the next level.